pretty good turnout though. Yes, Lord. Hot as ever though. Good God. Thing about these big ride-outs, right? You gotta be careful. Everybody don't know how to ride, and everybody don't know how to conform to everybody riding style, you know. So you really gotta keep your head on the swivel. You out here doing stuff like this though. Like for real. But I think I really do want a two-stroke dirt bike. And I might get like a Kawasaki KS250 or YZ450. I just like the noise. And they say they're a significant amount lighter too though. So you know what I'm saying? I want to try that out. So let's try it. Ride right beside me. You see what I mean? A lot of these cats, man, really ain't. It's like that Kodak curves a lot of times. When you be riding, all of a sudden they just try to do what they know they ain't capable of doing, and it just go completely sideways a lot of times. I'm gonna wait and go to the bike. I'm gonna wait and go to the back so I can work my way back up through the damn crowd again here. It'd be more fun like that. I like the little 250 though. Like I said, I like the way they sound. They just ain't got enough bump to it, you know what I'm saying? Like they just that bump.
Can't go.
Yeah, damn, that's a bump.
I'm gonna let them take off for us. I'm gonna work my way through the crowd. It be fun like that there, cause you just stay in the front, you get bored. Man. What the hell? Checkerboard shop. lately though, man, I've been really fascinated by the like the more so pit bike side. For me, they're just so neat to me. I just like them, bro. I don't know why. I see they do a lot of competing. The CRF 110. I wouldn't mind doing like some competition in motocross with them. Got a lot of little deep tracks and stuff that you go to compete at. I think I'm gonna give it a shot pretty soon though, man. Get started my next video. What you guys think it should be? By the way, messages in the comments, and I was seeing some people were saying like I forgot about the bench wheel. I never forgot about it. It just I got distracted by so many other things. Different bikes, more bikes, different builds, but I still have it. Just really haven't just paid it that much attention. I think I'll get back on it very soon. You guys, a lot of car cuts on the way, man. We're behind the scenes. I've been working. As you see in the past videos, we just loaded up and sent it to the shop. So hopefully we get to hear back from them very soon. Get some fab work done. And yeah. Hold on, we're still around, man. We're still around. Damn.
Right now, they don't know what day is.
Okay. Man, when they start riding on the edge of the damn road, boy, they start throwing up that dirt. I had to put my goggles back on, bro.
Goggles on quick.
Whoa.
Cause they did me the same damn way. You just gave me hands up like, hey, go ahead, alright, that bitch was shooting, boy.
But you never wore one of them? Shit, boy, we'll never go to Panama or anywhere like that, though, boy. I make sure that's the first thing I do.
I'm riding on the road, these niggas here, boy.
Well, I'm telling you, boy, they'll trash out it, boy. Yep, so made it to the first stop of the ride, I guess. Me, myself, personally, man, street riding is cool or whatever. Just like the country road riding is cool or whatever. Me, man, I like the more so aggressive riding, you know what I mean? Just something different. You ready to hit the road again. But, man, like I said, man, there's a lot of car content, bike content. Bills on the way, just everything just been so slow to mail and everything gets been expensive, you know. But we're back to our regular schedule program. By the way, man, also don't forget, man, about the corona, the COVID-19, whatever you may want to call it, man. Y'all be safe out there, practice social distancing. As you see, well, they ain't doing it the best right now, but hey, we gotta have a good time. So I'm about to load up, try to get me a little go juice, and you know, I'm gonna catch you guys back when we get back on. Let's get back to it, people. Oh, hell no. They got my 90, 88. Yeah, they get 88 from.
Goddamn.
Yeah. Put it in the higher gear. Go up to like third. That ain't gonna work. We gotta go, dog. We don't know how to get back though. Yeah, we gotta ride. You just gotta pick it up, boy. We gotta go. Hate to leave her, man. What better way to start it off than start racing? Just like any other day. So we're about to see what these boys gonna do out here, man. See what this kind of smoke they bring.
Got a dub over here, you gonna go?
Well, cars supposed to leave about second.
They going up. But no, I actually think we got to the pole. We said the third pole. What pole for now? Third pole. Wait, cup?
That's my fight, punk! So, what up, YouTube? We're back again. Man, I gotta say, man, like always, man, sorry for the lack of content, as always, man. I know I've been slacking, man, but I really haven't been doing too much with the bikes as of late. I've been caught up in a lot of the grudge racing with the dirt bikes, as you can see. Hey, I mean, it's very successful at it. You know, I have pretty good luck with it or whatever, but we're back to the normal program now, man. How do I put this? As of lately, right, I've been doing a lot of work. I've been doing a lot of thinking. I've been doing a lot of just like engaging on where's Boone's vlog at right now. Kind of been getting to the point where I've been kind of getting kind of bored, if that makes sense. So me, I've been looking for different outlets and different avenues of different things to try to really make the Spicy channel back up. Hey, a few ideas. They might be good ones, they might not be good ones, and some might be mediocre, to say the least. But I think they're pretty good. Somewhat, or some of them are better than others. But hey, all of them are saying they're all ideas. I always said an idea is it's just as good as what you make of it. So more importantly, man, it's time to put a lot of them in action. So I have a lot of things coming up, and I think a lot of you would be interested. But one of my ideas is a new project that I have. I actually had a little fender bender, and it actually wasn't a little while ago. It's been quite a while. Me and Bambi went on a date. You know what I'm talking about. So if you know me, you've seen the BOONE'S vlog Fisher truck. Bambi, get all of this damage right here. All my shit just gone. Took me out. Fender, bumper. It's actually not as bad as it may motherfucking seem, even though it looked pretty bad. I'm talking about. It look like somebody just snagged it to you.
Hey everybody.
Like, look at this. Like, for real, you feel me? But to no avail. I'm gonna get it fixed. So I have all the parts. And right now we're in the process, but you're gonna have to see that in the next vlog of me taking it to the shop and actually having all of this I'm gonna have it fixed. And that'll be in the next vlog. With that being said, I'm about to start introducing a lot more car content to the channel. Also along with the trail riding content. I know I strayed away from it a lot, but hey, sometimes shit happens. With no avail, we're back again. You feel me, people?
72 hours later.
Big dick get him. We don't want no loot. Big dick get him. Hey!